Survival gears are essential tools designed to help you navigate, endure, and thrive in challenging or emergency situations. From backcountry exploration to wilderness adventures, having the right tool can make survival not only possible, but manageable. In this video, we'll explore some of the most innovative and practical survival gadgets available today. Without further ado, let's dive right in. When nature gets tough, the Weyland tracker knife becomes your key to staying alive in the wild. Crafted with precision and rugged durability, this knife is more than a simple cutting tool. It's a full survival tool ready for the hardest outdoor tests. Its full-tane 1095 high-carbon steel blade, typically measuring 4.5 to 5 inches, offers exceptional strength and edge retention, capable of performing critical tasks like shelter building, fire preparation, game processing, and emergency first aid. The knife's ergonomic handle, often made from textured G10 or micarta materials, provides a secure grip so it won't slip even if it's wet or cold. The knife has a drop point shape with a robust tip for piercing and a wide belly for efficient slicing. Balanced weight distribution and a protective Kydex sheath make the Weyland tracker knife an essential piece of equipment for serious wilderness adventurers, hunters, and survival enthusiasts. The Grayl GEOPRESS is an innovative, portable water purification system designed for adventurers, travelers, and outdoor enthusiasts who need reliable access to clean drinking water in challenging environments. This compact press-style water bottle allows users to quickly transform potentially contaminated water from streams, rivers, or taps into safe, drinkable liquid in just 8 seconds. The device uses advanced electroadsorptive technology and activated carbon filtration to remove 99.99% of viruses, bacteria, protozoan cysts, and sediment. Its unique press mechanism works by pushing the inner container through a replaceable purifier cartridge, effectively trapping harmful contaminants while allowing clean water to pass through. Weighing approximately 17.9 ounces, the GEOPRESS is rugged enough for international travel, backcountry hiking, and emergency preparedness. It can purify up to 24 ounces of water per press and is rated to filter 350 uses or 65 gallons before requiring a cartridge replacement. Imagine never swatting away mosquitoes or dousing yourself in sticky repellent spray again. The Thermacell Mosquito Repeller offers a revolutionary solution to outdoor pest protection, creating a nearly invisible shield against biting insects. This compact portable device uses a unique heat-activated technology to disperse a powerful insect-repelling formula across a 15-foot zone. Powered by butane cartridges, the Thermacell heats a mat infused with synthetic chrysanthemum-based repellent, creating a barrier that keeps mosquitoes, black flies, and other biting insects at bay. Ideal for camping, fishing, hiking, backyard gatherings, and other outdoor activities, the Thermacell provides up to 12 hours of protection on a single butane cartridge and repellent mat. Its lightweight design and flameless operation make it a convenient alternative to traditional bug sprays and citronella candles. Silent, odorless, and highly effective, the Thermacell Mosquito Repeller gives outdoor enthusiasts the freedom to enjoy nature without constant insect harassment. When every ounce matters and comfort can mean the difference between a miserable night and a refreshing rest, the Therm-a-Rest NeoAir XTherm NXT emerges as the ultimate backcountry sleeping pad for serious adventurers. Designed for extreme conditions and weight-conscious travelers, this sleeping pad represents a pinnacle of ultralight insulation technology. Weighing just 15 ounces, the XTherm NXT delivers an impressive R value of 7.3, making it exceptionally warm for its minimal weight. Its innovative thermocapture technology uses reflective layers to trap radiant heat, ensuring maximum thermal efficiency in cold alpine and winter environments. The pad features a triangular core matrix construction that creates internal air pockets, providing outstanding insulation while maintaining a compact packed size. Its durable 30 denier nylon fabric resists punctures, and the new design includes improved comfort with a softer surface and enhanced stability. The Steambow AR-6 Stinger II is a revolutionary tactical crossbow designed for speed, precision, and portability. Ideal for survivalists, hunters, and enthusiasts, this compact weapon combines modern engineering with unparalleled ease of use. It features a sleek, lightweight frame and quick magazine loading system, allowing for rapid, consecutive shots without the need to reload each bolt manually. With a draw weight of up to 80 pounds, The AR-6 Stinger II delivers impressive power, capable of handling both small and medium-sized game, or providing effective self-defense in critical situations. It can be quickly converted between different configurations, including a compact pistol-style setup and a more traditional shoulder-mounted configuration. The weapon is constructed with high-strength polymer and aerospace-grade aluminum, ensuring durability while maintaining a lightweight profile. Its precision-engineered mechanism provides consistent shooting performance, with an effective range of approximately 50 yards. The AR-6 Stinger II is compatible with various bolt types and includes integrated mounting rails for additional accessories like scopes and tactical lights. Rapid Rope is an innovative emergency rope solution designed for quick deployment and versatile use in outdoor survival and emergency situations. Packaged in a compact, lightweight container, this unique rope is pre-coiled and treated to prevent tangling, allowing users to quickly access and deploy a sturdy 50-foot length of high-strength paracord. The rope is crafted from durable military-grade materials that can support significant weight and resist environmental stressors like moisture, UV exposure, and abrasion. Key features include its quick-release mechanism, which enables users to extract the rope in seconds without the typical frustrations of untangling traditional cordage. Ideal for camping, hiking, emergency preparedness, search and rescue operations, and outdoor adventures. Rapid Rope provides a reliable lifeline in critical moments. In a world where personal safety is increasingly paramount, the MUNIO emerges as a discreet yet powerful self-defense tool that transforms everyday objects into personal protection. The MUNIO is an innovative personal safety device designed to look like an elegant, minimalist writing instrument, but engineered as a strategic self-defense tool. Crafted from high-impact polycarbonate, this compact device resembles a stylish keychain, allowing users to carry protection without drawing attention. Its ergonomic design features strategically placed grip points and a pointed end that can be used to deliver a precise, defensive strike if threatened. Developed by safety experts, the MUNIO is lightweight, durable, and legal to carry in most jurisdictions. Whether attached to a keyring or slipped into a pocket, the MUNIO provides a sense of confidence and preparedness in an unpredictable world. The OGT Survival Axe Elite is a versatile multi-tool designed for outdoor enthusiasts, preppers, and survival situations. Crafted with durability and functionality in mind, this compact axe combines multiple survival tools into a single, lightweight package. The main axe head features a sharp, high-carbon steel blade with excellent chopping and cutting capabilities, suitable for tasks like wood processing, shelter building, and emergency firewood preparation. What sets the Survival Axe Elite apart is its integrated survival features. The tool typically includes a fire starter rod, emergency whistle, and a robust hammerhead on the opposite side of the axe blade. The handle is often ergonomically designed with a non-slip grip, ensuring comfortable and secure handling in challenging environments. Its sheath is usually made of durable materials, like ballistic nylon, providing protection and easy carrying options. Weighing around 2-3 pounds, the OGT Survival Axe Elite is compact enough for backpacking, while offering comprehensive survival utility. When survival meets innovation, the VZ Punch Ripper stands out as a revolutionary tactical tool that challenges traditional design. This precision-crafted personal defense tool merges aggressive functionality with a sleek, minimalist look. Made from high-quality materials, the Punch Ripper is a compact, yet powerful instrument designed for close-quarters self-defense and practical use. The tool boasts a unique punch-style grip that enables quick deployment and maximum striking power. Its ergonomically designed handle provides a secure, comfortable grip, reducing hand fatigue during intense situations. The blade, usually made from premium stainless steel, ensures excellent edge retention and resistance to corrosion. With its distinctive shape, the VZ Punch Ripper is a notable contender in the personal defense market. Its streamlined design allows for easy concealment, while the sturdy construction guarantees reliability in high-pressure scenarios. Survival can strike when you least expect it, and the Go Time Gear Life Tent is your ultimate lifeline in wilderness emergencies. This compact emergency shelter is designed to keep adventurers alive in the most challenging outdoor conditions, transforming a potentially life-threatening situation into a manageable survival scenario. Constructed from tear-resistant, heavyweight mylar material, the Life Tent provides exceptional thermal protection, reflecting up to 90% of body heat to prevent hypothermia. Weighing a mere 8.7 ounces and compressed into a small stuff sack, it easily fits in a backpack or emergency kit. The tent has bright orange exterior coloration for high visibility during rescue operations and a 550-pound paracord for secure anchoring. Engineered to comfortably shelter 2 adults, the tent can withstand extreme wind and rain while creating a crucial microclimate that protects against hypothermia. The Hiluckey Solar Charger is a versatile portable power solution designed for outdoor enthusiasts, travelers, and emergency preparedness. This robust external battery pack features high-efficiency solar panels that allow for convenient charging in remote locations without access to traditional power sources. Its compact design incorporates multiple USB ports, enabling simultaneous charging of several devices like smartphones, tablets, cameras, and other portable electronics. Constructed with durability in mind, the charger typically features a rugged, waterproof exterior that can withstand harsh outdoor conditions. Most models boast a substantial battery capacity, ranging from 20,000 to 26,800 mAh, providing multiple full device charges before requiring recharging. The integrated solar panels can regenerate power slowly but steadily when exposed to sunlight, making it an excellent backup power source. The Zippo Typhoon Match Kit is an essential survival and outdoor tool. Compact and waterproof, this lightweight kit contains 15 windproof and waterproof matches that can be ignited in extreme weather conditions. The matches are specially engineered to light and burn reliably, even in high winds, heavy rain, or at high altitudes. Housed in a durable sealed aluminum case, the kit ensures the matches remain dry and protected from moisture and environmental elements. Each match burns for approximately 30 seconds, providing ample time to start a fire or illuminate a dark area. The kit's design includes a striking surface integrated into the container, making it easy to ignite matches in challenging conditions. The GCI Outdoor Quik-E seat is a lightweight portable folding chair designed for the outdoor enthusiasts who prioritize convenience and comfort. Weighing just a few pounds, this compact chair features an innovative quick fold mechanism that allows for effortless setup and takedown in seconds. Its sturdy construction supports up to 250 pounds, making it suitable for a wide range of users. The Quik-E seat boasts a slim profile that makes it easy to carry and store, with a convenient shoulder strap for transport. Its durable fabric and powder-coated steel frame ensure longevity and resistance to outdoor elements. The chair's ergonomic design provides a comfortable seating experience with a slightly reclined backrest and a supportive seat. Ever wondered how a simple accessory could revolutionize your everyday carry? Enter the Gerber Gear GDC Money Clip, a sleek and functional tool that seamlessly blends style with practicality. This innovative money clip is more than just a way to hold your cash. It's a multi-purpose survival tool disguised as a sophisticated everyday accessory. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, the clip securely holds up to 10 bills while featuring a hidden, integrated razor-sharp blade. The blade, measuring approximately 1.75 inches, is perfect for emergency cutting tasks and is easily deployable with a discrete mechanism. Its compact design allows it to slip effortlessly into a pocket, providing both a cash-holding solution and a subtle emergency cutting tool. The FireMaple Star X2 is a compact and innovative outdoor cooking system designed for backpackers, hikers, and outdoor enthusiasts seeking lightweight, efficient cooking solutions. This portable camping stove stands out for its ingenious two-piece design that combines exceptional performance with remarkable packability. Constructed from high-quality aluminum alloy, the Star X2 weighs just around 3.9 ounces, making it an ultralight option for weight-conscious adventurers. Its unique folding mechanism allows the stove to collapse into an incredibly small form factor, easily fitting into a backpack side pocket or cooking pot. The stove supports multiple fuel types, providing flexibility for different environments and expedition needs. With an impressive heat output of approximately 3,000 watts, the Star X2 can boil water in just a few minutes, even in challenging outdoor conditions. Its stable base and wind-resistant design ensure consistent performance, making it a reliable companion for wilderness cooking and emergency preparedness. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more video like this, don't forget to hit subscribe so you don't miss any of our future video. Also, feel free to check out the links in the description for all the gears we talked about. Stay safe, and I will see you next time.